Hello, hello. How are you today? If you're here, my guess is that you're trying to be more creative in your cooking. You're trying to maybe free yourself from recipes and use more of the things you have. And that's great. And I'm really happy that you found your way here because not a lot of people are looking to get away from recipes. Most things that people are searching for when it comes to cooking are, what is the best recipe for this or for that? So I'm really glad that you are here today. I'm Katerina. I'm the intuitive cook, and I'm here to help you to get inspired and unstuck with your cooking and find a new way of delicious simplicity in your kitchen without relying on recipes. But how do you get started? I get this question quite a lot from people who are interested in this kind of intuitive cooking. And what I say is start where you are. Start today. Start with what you are cooking today. Or if you're not cooking, start with what you're eating today. And start by paying attention. What can you taste? Try to be intentional and really just see what flavors you find in whatever bite of food you're having today. And then step two, change one thing, one little thing. Add a bit of lemon juice, add some extra salt, add a dash of some sauce, add a bit of extra herbs, something that you wouldn't normally add to this kind of dish. Or, swap an ingredient, use a different type of greens, or leave the greens out altogether. Whatever you're cooking, just be intentional about tasting it and then change some little detail and taste again in that same intentional way and see what happens. You worry that you might ruin your dish? Trust me, you can't break it. Cooking is a lot more forgiving than you might think. And let me know in the comments what you find with your little taste experiment today. In the next video, I'll show you how to be more intentional in building your flavors so that it's not so random and you know what you're doing while you're building that delicious, yummy flavor that everyone wants more of. And if you like this video and you want to be notified of my next videos, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so that YouTube knows that you're interested in my videos. And this will also help other people who have similar questions to you find my videos as well. I would really appreciate that. See you in the next video.